Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. Here is now where it's gonna get interesting because we have obviously the possibility to count the move to the upside here just as a wave 2. Did explain that to you in the last video. We had these two trend reversal areas to the upside, these, let's call them long trade setups or possible long trade setups. From here, from these successful setups, we then rallied into resistance, got rejected basically at the golden ratio. And in yesterday's video, I highlighted to you if we break out of this to the downside, or at least see a strong reaction, it would emphasize more again the white wave count. It's of course too early, but if we break below that swing low that found support in the orange box, which is here at 688, then in my opinion it would again put more emphasis onto the white count, which is the bearish one. Explain to you that obviously we've got these two different counts on the chart. One is bullish, one is bearish. That's quite clear for LINK. Yeah, these two counts, they are both working out nicely actually in terms of probabilities. So that is a bit of a conflicting situation, but the situation is as it is. And the reason why it is like that is because LINK has been moving in this long sideways range for basically nearly a year. And it really needs a break either above 950 to indicate really strongly a breakout to the upside to follow the orange wave count and then to cascade higher. Or if we get that break below 530, it would break out of the range to the downside and most likely lead to the path that we've been outlining for a long time now and highlighted the possibility of LINK getting to around 350, maybe even a bit lower. For now, which one is going to play out is still a bit nebulous. However, we have now reacted to that resistance area, and I did explain to you in the previous video that this move to the upside looks very choppy. So I have a problem to count this really as a wave 1, because again, it could be, talking about the orange count, of course, this could be a 1-2 setup, and then maybe, you can get away with counting this as a, well, we counted this as a 1-2 setup. But this has failed so far. So, we have possible 1-2 and then maybe another larger 1-2, but it's not reliable anymore. So I would now be a bit careful here on the long side. Of course, it can still work out, but this pattern has become a little bit less reliable. For now, I'd observe the previous support areas for giving relevant support between 664 and 694 first. Going below that level makes the other support areas relevant again between 619 and 657. But yeah, just keep in mind that we still have that bearish count on the chart. We just got rejected, and really only a sustained break above 788 will reduce, not eliminate, but reduce the downside risk for now. So yeah, that's pretty much what I can tell you now about LINK. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.